Janelle, I get a lot of calls, potential customers,
I'm sorry.
and they want to know what are the rules and guidelines for filling out a trip sheet. What do you advise?
Well, first of all, I think it's really important that if you have a trip sheet, that you share that with them so they know exactly what they're supposed to be filling out. There are 12 items on a trip sheet that need to be completed. Some of the most important are the beginning and ending odometer reading, the miles per jurisdiction that you traveled in, the routes of travel, and the origin and destination. And you need to ensure that your beginning odometer reading is the same as your ending odometer reading from the previous trip, so you capture all your miles.
Next time I get a call like that, just transfer them to you.
That'd be fabulous. I'll take it over.